Sometimes it's hard to find good lunches at school or work. It's either too expensive or unhealthy. So today I decided to share with you guys some packed lunch ideas that are healthy, light, doesn't break the bank, and just so beautiful to look at. Hi guys, welcome to my channel, The Fresh Leaf, and I'm Pri, a vegan nutritionist. So this is the first episode of many looking at healthy packed lunches and to-go meals in general, and today's overarching theme is Vietnamese recipes. They are flavorful, packed with nutrition, and just so beautiful to look at as well. So today we're gonna do 3 popular dishes. We're gonna do Vietnamese banh mi, the vegan version of course. Then we're gonna do a Vietnamese noodle salad as well as summer rolls. So make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming videos with other cuisines just like this. So let's get started. To make these rolls, we're gonna use some fresh herbs like coriander, mint, or basil, some vermicelli noodles, sliced veggies, peanut butter, and rice paper. First, we're gonna slice our veggies thinly into matchstick-like pieces. I'm doing this to a carrot as well as a cucumber. It's just so that the veggies are even-sized pieces. We're then gonna slice up some red cabbage with a pop of color and crunch. Then, we're gonna place our rice paper into lukewarm water for a couple of seconds on each side. Then we place that on a plate. Add the vermicelli noodles to the center of the roll. On top of that goes our sliced veggies. I'm also adding some fresh coriander and mint leaves. Now we're just gonna fold that up like a burrito, first from the sides and then roll it tightly. I've gone ahead and made 3, which we're gonna slice up and then place them in our bento box or lunch container. Then I'm sprinkling on some black sesame seeds. To make the dipping sauce, we're gonna combine 2 teaspoons of peanut butter with 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, soy sauce, agave nectar or sugar, half a teaspoon of minced ginger, and some warm water. Mix that all together and our peanut dipping sauce for the rolls is ready. To have with my rolls or as an afternoon snack, I'm placing some sliced pink grapefruit into the box, topped with some coriander leaves. This bento box is fresh and healthy with the rainbow veggies and the fresh fruit. It's so easy to make and it is a great to-go food. Next, we're gonna make Vietnamese noodle salad. For this, we're gonna use some lime, fresh herbs, chili, tofu, julienne veggies, roasted peanuts, and cooked glass noodles. You just need to follow the instructions on the package to make the glass noodles. They should take about 2 to 3 minutes, depending on the size of your noodles. To make the sticky tofu, we're gonna coat our tofu pieces with 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, teaspoon of agave nectar or brown sugar, along with a sprinkle of sesame seeds. Mix that all together and fry on both sides for 2 to 3 minutes until golden brown and sticky. Once that's ready, we can put that aside and we can assemble our noodle salad. Place the noodles in your lunchbox. Then add the sliced veggies. Here I've used carrots, cucumber, and red peppers. Crush some of that roasted peanuts and add that on the top, along with some sliced chilies, spring onion, and fresh herbs. Lastly, I'm adding the sticky tofu that we made on the side. I'm also packing a sauce to have with the noodle salad, which is 1 tablespoon of lime juice with half a tablespoon of soy sauce, agave nectar or brown sugar, half a minced garlic, and some sliced chilies. Just make sure your container is leak-proof so we can drizzle the sauce when we have our noodle salad. If you prefer a creamier sauce, just add 1 tablespoon of peanut butter to this mixture. It will make it incredibly creamy and delicious. To take as a snack, I'm filling my other box with seedless grapes and a sliced passion fruit for a vitamin C boost. That's it. Day number 2 Vietnamese style lunchbox is done. This noodle salad is so tasty and nutritious. I love that it has different textures, so you get the crunch from the peanuts and then you have the smooth glass noodles and your fresh veggies. It's definitely worth a try. Next, we are gonna make my favorite Vietnamese recipe, which is the banh mi sandwich. It has so many different flavors and it's simply delicious. So these are the ingredients we need for this recipe. They're fairly easy and simple to find. We're gonna need some carrots, cucumber, chili, lime, radishes, fresh herbs, mushrooms, and a sandwich baguette or soft roll. Add equal amounts of julienne carrots and cucumber to a bowl, along with 2 tablespoons of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and a pinch of salt. Just mix that all together and leave it aside to marinate while we prepare the rest. So for the meaty part of the banh mi, we are going to use king oyster mushrooms. These are incredibly meaty and a great substitute. Not to mention it's completely unprocessed and healthy as well. But sometimes they're hard to find, so you can use other mushrooms instead to give this meaty replacement. And if you don't like mushrooms, you can try the exact recipe with tofu instead. So we're just gonna chop the mushrooms top off and thinly slice from the side to make thin strips. You can see that the mushrooms have a meaty texture. To the strips, add a teaspoon of soy sauce, 1 minced garlic, and a tablespoon of hoisin sauce and mix until well coated. The hoisin sauce gives the mushrooms an incredible depth of flavor. You can find this in Asian stores or supermarkets. If you can't find this, you can substitute this with soy sauce and agave nectar, or soy sauce or sugar. Fry the mushrooms on both sides for 3 to 4 minutes until they have darkened and caramelized. Now we have all the ingredients prepared, so we can assemble the banh mi. To the sandwich roll, I'm adding sriracha sauce along with a teaspoon of vegan yogurt. Then add the pickled veggies, caramelized mushrooms, sliced radishes, fresh herbs, along with a squeeze of lime juice and sliced red chilies. Then I'm placing this into my lunchbox. For an afternoon snack, I'm having some cut veggies with a peanut butter and hoisin dip. There you have it, the third Vietnamese lunch idea. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did making it. It was so much fun. And let me know in the comments which cuisine you'd like to see next, or just in general, any topics that you're interested in. And yeah, make sure to subscribe. Lots more videos are coming up, and I'll see you very soon.